What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to Get Fat Food. My name is Ron, and today we're going to be eating some McRibs. Limited time only. It's been, what is it, 7 years since the last McRib? 8 years?
8 years.
Crazy. So I got 4 in front of me. And remember, this is Get Fat Food where we eat like pigs. With just a little bit of class. So let's get it started. Now, what a lot of people don't like, but I like. So here's, just in case you guys don't know, I mean, this one looks pretty crappy, but that's what they put in there. It's like, it kind of sucks. I mean, they make it look all good in the commercials, but anyways, this is my secret. Or, sorry, this is mayo. A lot of people are like, why mayo? I don't know. It makes it a little more creamy for me. Maybe I like a little cream in my mouth. Okay. Let's do it. Now the McRib, I've been eating it my whole life. It's not an actual rib. I'm not sure if it's actual rib meat, but it's definitely pork. And they, they kind of grinded up the meat and made like patties out of it. So it's not bad though. It's been a while. At our local McDonald's, this is how much was one? $5. $5.35 for one. It's a little steep, but it is limited time, and it has been a long time since they had it. So people like me are willing to pay for it. Orange juice today. Some fries. McDonald's fries are still the best, in my opinion.
When it's fresh.
No. Is the one Big Mac for me? Or is that for you too?
Whatever.
What?
Are you gonna be full with 4 of those?
No. Maybe. You gotta get all the excess barbecue sauce. And you dip your McRib on it. Like that. Didn't they used to put McRibs out every year?
Maybe. I don't know.
I just know that it wasn't like a regular menu ever. It was always like limited time. I don't know, me, I love it. Only because I grew up with it. Kids nowadays, I'm not sure. Here's number 2.
For me, one is enough.
Hmm?
One of that is enough. I can't eat 2.
Do you think this is worth it?
I don't know.
$5.35 each?
I don't know.
I think the combo was like $8 something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I guess for an everyday menu thing, then no, maybe. But limited edition, I understand why they priced it that way, you know?
Mm-hmm. I don't know if McDonald's will ever consider making this a regular menu item, because it's always been limited edition. But you never know, because just like how everyone else was doing all day breakfast, and McDonald's was like, no, no, no. Till finally, McDonald's went ahead and did it.
I don't think so. I think it's gonna be a special limited edition, limited menu. Cause breakfast, I mean, there's a few items on that thing, you know. Whereas the McRib is just one item. And maybe if you don't put it on the regular menu, whenever it's limited edition, more people will buy it, you know? So it's just marketing, right?
Yeah, I guess. You want it?
Oh, water, blue water. Need the blue water.
You want to try that with mayo?
No.
It's good.
No, thank you.
What do you think about your McRib?
It's okay.
It's not like spectacular.
Oh my gosh.
Like, oh my god, I miss this.
No.
I feel like I miss it.
Well, I never grew up with the McRib. I mean, I heard about it, but my family's mainly like, you know, cheeseburger or Big Mac, you know, fries. Other than that, that's how my family was. Well, honestly, yeah, my family didn't really eat McDonald's.
No?
Not as much as you would think. It's always like a treat. When I was younger. And it's only like when I got older, you know, I paid for it kind of thing. So it's like, yeah. But before, with my dad, if I go to McDonald's, I would get like 2 cheeseburgers or something. Nothing like extraordinary. I mean, you know, extravagant, whatever.
For me, growing up, McDonald's is like a once a month thing.
Yeah, not. For me, I think McDonald's like, I don't know, not once a month.
Oh, excuse me.
I think I ate pizza more than McDonald's back then.
Pizza more? I'm actually feeling it. Like I'm kind of done.
Yeah.
Just for you guys, I'm gonna finish it like a proper fat guy. Like a gentleman. Gotta eat those onions. Get your money's worth. Right?
And it's like a texture. Because everything else is like what? Mushy, soft. Besides like the onion and the pickles.
I think I was satisfied at 2.
Now it's just like, oh my god.
It's still good though, it's just, man, I'm getting full.
Uh-huh.
If you guys can't tell, I'm a lot more sluggish. Because I'm pretty darn full. You want that? It's like a half.
I can only handle one. I think it's because I don't really like barbecue sauce.
Why?
It's not my favorite.
You don't like barbecue sauce?
Not really.
Would you rather have a hot sauce than a barbecue sauce?
Yeah. Yeah. I would.
What about a spicy barbecue sauce?
I don't know. I don't know why I don't like barbecue sauce.
It's because you're not American enough.
Whatever. But I mean, like, if it's barbecue, like, you know, in the backyard and you slather barbecue on it, I'll still eat it. But as a dipping sauce, it wouldn't be my choice.
No?
No. Like when I eat the nuggets from McDonald's, sweet and sour.
Oh.
That's your third one?
Damn it.
It's on the floor.
Fourth one.
Four. Oh, okay.
Almost done, you guys. A little bit more. There we go. Got a little more room now. Woo. Anyways, I hope you guys go get yourself some McRibs because I'm not sure how long it's going to be around.
Maybe a month. So by New Year's, I might be pushing it.
By January, no more. That's number 4. I'm done, man. I'm tired. I'm full. I got food coma. If you guys like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Thanks for having dinner with me and the family. Hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot, you guys. Take care. Support your local businesses. Keep safe and healthy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.